name is Armando Orduña, Director of Outreach Programs for Children's Museum, Houston. This is my assistant, Sol Orduña. We are going to present a fun math activity that involves a little bit of strategy and a little bit of prediction. But before we get started, I want to give a special thank you to ConocoPhillips, our sponsor. The game is called Circle Logic, and the way you play is you have a circle on a piece of paper with little marks of X's throughout. Now it really doesn't matter the number, as long as it's an odd number of X's. Once you put the X's on the circle, you're going to put chips, or you could use beans or pennies or pebbles to be the markers on the X's. It's a two-player game, so one person is going to take one chip away. Then the other person can take a chip away. Or they can take up to two. It's one or two that they can take away. Whoever pulls the last chip loses the game. So you don't want to be the person that pulls the last chip. You get it? All right, let's go ahead and get started. Would you like to go first? Go ahead and pull a chip, or two. And put them in your pull. And I'm going to pull one. Now it's your turn. Remember, you don't want to be the person to pull the last chip. This is where the strategy starts to come in towards the end. And I pull two chips. And I win the game. So that's circle logic. It's fun, it's easy, and it's pretty simple. Remember, you only need a piece of paper, a circle drawn on the paper, X's making to an odd number on the circle, and some kind of counter or chip. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you enjoyed the activity. See you next time.